In today's video, I will show you how to log into Ludo King. To get started, open the Ludo King app on your mobile device. Once the main menu loads, you will see a few different options for accessing the game. To ensure your progress is saved and to connect with your friends, select either the Facebook or Google Play Games icon. A secure login window will appear where you can enter your email and password for that service. This allows the game to link to your profile and keep your statistics synced. If you'd prefer to try the game first without creating an account, you can simply select the guest option to start playing immediately. Once you are successfully logged in, you can easily start a match by selecting Play with Friends. From there, pick your favorite color and you can either create a new room or join an existing one by entering a shared 8-digit room code. And that's it. That's how you log into Ludo King. Thank you for watching.